Going green, the path to eco-friendly living. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about what it means to go green. This phrase has become popular around the world, but what does it really entail? Whether you're learning English or just looking to understand this concept better, you're in the right place. Let's delve into the world of sustainability and find out why going green is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle. Going green is a term that refers to the pursuit of knowledge and practices that can lead to more environmentally friendly and ecologically responsible decisions and lifestyles. These help protect the environment and sustain its natural resources for current and future generations. It's about making conscious choices to reduce your carbon footprint by altering your lifestyle and consumption habits. Here are a few examples of how people and businesses might go green. Reducing waste. This means using fewer resources and creating less trash. It can be as simple as bringing reusable bags to the grocery store or as complex as redesigning products to use less material. Conserving energy. This might involve turning off lights when you leave a room, using energy-efficient appliances, or supporting renewable energy sources. Sustainable transportation. Opting for walking, cycling, carpooling, or public transport instead of driving solo. Recycling and upcycling. Instead of throwing things away, we find ways to reuse or repurpose them. Going green is crucial for maintaining a healthy environment. It reduces pollution, conserves natural resources, and lessens the impact of climate change. Moreover, it can often lead to a healthier lifestyle and can even save you money in the long run. By going green, we contribute to a sustainable planet and ensure that future generations will have a safe and thriving Earth to live on. Starting to go green can be overwhelming, but it's all about taking small steps. Begin by doing simple things like turning off electronics when not in use, using reusable containers and bags, trying to eat locally sourced and in-season foods, educating yourself on environmental issues. Remember, every little bit helps, and your actions can inspire others to make a change too. Thank you for joining us to learn about going green. We hope this video has shed some light on how you can make a positive impact on the environment. Remember, going green isn't just a phrase. It's a movement towards a more sustainable and conscientious way of living. Start small, and soon you'll find that you're making a big difference. Stay green and see you in the next video.